Hi guys, this is Chelston Pinto again. I'm a strength and conditioning coach. Today I'm here to speak about how to get started or how to plan a 10-kilometer run, whether it's a 10-kilometer, 22-kilometer or a full marathon. First thing, I think you'll have to plan ahead. So taking a 10-kilometer into perspective for now, at least 3 months ahead, so that it allows you to enjoy the sport first of all. Secondly, allows you to prepare and to have specific goals and to work towards those goals. So the first thing that you can do is make a plan for your 10-kilometer run. That is, have a running plan in place, have a strength plan in place. So you make sure that you don't get injured. You also make sure that you hit each of your targets, and that allows you to be in a good shape for your 10-kilometer run on race day. The second thing is your nutrition. So you've got to take care of your nutrition as well if you want to meet your 10-kilometer goals. So make sure you have a good mix of proteins, carbs, as well as fats, good fats. Before you start your training, you will also have to focus on your warm-ups. So your warm-ups have to be a lot of dynamic stretches, a lot of movement, try and get your body temperature a little higher so that you can start performing high intensity or whatever intensity you've planned for. And soon after your race or after your training, you have good static stretches. For more details on this, you can look at Amy's videos, which was put out to you earlier. The last thing that you'll have to work on is your clothing. So make sure that you buy your clothes and prepare for it before a race day. You've got to make sure that you're comfortable, your hand swing is good, you feel good on it, you feel light and comfortable. So that's the most important part. That's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this. Good luck for planning your marathons. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also on Instagram and Facebook, so like us and share. Thank you.